everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, let me teach you on how to block screenshots on WhatsApp. First, open the app on your device, go to chat, and then navigate to the chat that you want and then open the chat. Let's do an example by sending a sample photo. Tap the camera icon below, and then you can choose to capture a photo or select one from your gallery or album. Now let's simply select a photo from our album. We'll have this photo right here. Next, you'll see here the number one icon. Tap it, set it to only view once. After that, tap the send button below. Now they can only view the photo that you've sent once, and they cannot take the screenshots. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.